Joan Bahomugisha ukurwa mu cyaro cya Nyakatete umugombora ya Harugongo mu district ya Kabarore kandi urumemba wa Cyakayigo restaurant owners Emyoga Sako nagira ngo inkekibina bahereze gura proti hamwe no kujombeka
imyoga yija iyi ni dare rye tutireho itwenko mukomu kandi iyi ni dare rye tutireho itwenkabe kibina twabagambira ngo tuyine porote itwaguzire nkekibina twajugura musente z'emyoga kandi twagaruka twajombeka musente z'emyoga erya World Plate.
For us as Burasha restaurant owners, we have 9 associations and they gave us 30 millions and we've been dispersing that 30 million to our association, the 9 associations. For now, from the other time we received the money up to now, we've afforded to disperse 116 million.
Obwahati Bahomugisha nagira ngo oyirewe cyo gukora umurimo gwo kuteka mu mbaga batandikira no gukora amajuta go kwesiga sabuni y'amizi yo gukora wine no kuruka emiceka
akubo bwire bwa covid tukareba babire bino umurimo gumwe bakabona munonga tukantu sherentasi yakutwamazire kutunga sente z'emyoga nikwe kucwa mu kwegebyo kandi still nabyo tukabantu byegesibwa nabo bamwe abemyoga
projects gwembuzi projects zempunu projects zo kuhinga kuna abantu bahinga omwani bahinga obutunguru kandi rero ubutunge beya higura munonga beya sento mwoga emyoga eza group nakani amagupa gubora uri agenda kutandika ki umusirwe nanasi umusirwe obutunguru
Obwahati district ya Kabarore inesakoze emyoga 18 kandi government yahereza kubasindikira sente zirkwingana miliyoni 580 okurabira mu microfinance support center barukuzunanizwa sente zona zemyogo mu ihanga
baitu emyoga sako bakagiha capital ya miliyoni 30 so ni gisobozesa kutamamani kuongeramu kusevinga kuongera kugura shares kuongera kugura kuteka mu income mwendi
Abwa TV West Adolf Erika